Good day, everyone. My name is Velma, and I am teaching myself organic chemistry in order to ace my MCATs. Um, I'm changing careers, want to become a doctor, and I need to pass the MCAT. And the subject to take is organic chemistry, and given that I hadn't taken that in school, you know, there's a lot to memorize. It is interesting. I love it. I'm understanding it, but the challenge is some of the stuff to memorize. For example, functional groups, and I found that the best way for me to memorize my functional groups was to develop a mnemonics. Um, Now, please, in no way is my formula or what I came up with perfect. So I'd really appreciate if there are any mnemonics out there, please send me a link. If there's anything better out there, please send me a link. I searched and I didn't really find. Or if you have a system that you've developed that you think is better than what I've come up with, please send me a video response, or send it and share it with everyone. Or if you think that what I've come up with is okay but could be improved, again, please send a response, send a video response, or a written response, and let's improve this thing. And who knows, this could become this could take up a wiki format, and again, who knows, it can make itself or find its way into chemistry, organic chemistry books in the future. So that's it. Again, I'm making this video and I'm sharing it because I just decided to make it because I have learned so much from YouTube. I have gained so much from all the videos people are posting online explaining simple things, from even Ivy League universities that have videos out there that have recordings of their classes. And I just felt very grateful for all that information. And I thought, oh, this seems like something that I can contribute to the, to the web. And here it is. So as I said earlier, I'm studying for the MCAT, and this is not an exhaustive list of functional groups, but for the MCAT, you need to know your alkanes, alkynes, alcohols, ethers, ketones, aldehydes, esters, carboxylic acids, amides, and amines. Now, this is the mnemonics that I came up with. So I have 4A, EKA, ECAA. So the way I say it is 4A, Eka, Essa, A. Now, for the E, I have California, Regina. Now, I just listed cities, states, countries that just came to my mind, so you can substitute it for anything. For these guys, I have them as in OC, and under OC, I have Regina, Halifax, Oregon, Ohio, New Haven. Now, this could be anything, in any order that you want. And for this A, I'm like, okay, New Haven, and New Haven has an area code of 210. It might not be that, but that's just what I have. So it's like E, California, Regina, or California, Russia. Now, don't go be laughing at Regina. That is a real town in Canada with nice, hardworking people. So it is a legitimate town. Google it. For OC, I have Regina, or you can say Russia, Halifax or Houston, Oregon, Ohio, New Haven. New Haven has a zip code, has a telephone code of 210. So this is how it would actually look when I write it out. 4A, ECA, KSA, Orange County, Regina, Halifax, Oregon, Ohio, New Haven. New Haven has a an area code of 210. So how would I reply? How would I apply this in an exam? Now, I believe when the MCAT is started, during the MCAT, you'll be given scratch paper, and what I intend to do is during that time write up my mnemonics, some stuff that that I remember that I want to that I think will be key, something like this, during my exam. So I'm going to write this out during the tutorials time. So this is the mnemonics here for A. I'm writing this out from heart. EKA, ECA, A. This guy is CR. These guys are in Orange County, and they have Regina, Halifax, Oregon, Ohio, and New Haven. New Haven has an area code of 210. Okay? Now, how do I do this out? Okay, we know our 4A's. The 4A's are the alkanes, which have the single carbon bonds, alkenes, which have the double bonds, the alkanes, alkanes, alkynes, which have the triple bond, and your alcohols, which are an alkyl family with an OH bond, right? Those, you should be able to nail that without even looking. Now, the next group is the ethers, which has an alkyl group. The ethers live in California, Regina, right? The ketones, an alkyl group, they live in Orange County, and they also have a town called Regina. The aldehydes have an alkyl group, they live in Orange County, and have a hydrogen, have a town called Halifax or Houston. The esters have an alkyl group, also live in Orange County. Oops, this is one. Also live in Orange County and have a town called, or a neighborhood called, Oregon. The amides, esters, aldehydes, esters, carboxylic acid. Sorry about that. Have an alkyl. They live in Orange County. I should erase that. Sorry about this. There we go. So the carboxylic acids live in Ohio, right? And then amides have an alkyl group, live in Orange County, and have an NH2. So I guess you could remember 2. But what I know is that, with the Honkrol, HONC, 1, 2, 3, 4, nitrogen always needs 3 bonds to make up its valence shell. So you know that nitrogen needs 2 and 3 bonds, so 1, 2, 3. So that would help you. Okay? And another way to write this, there we go, getting focused, is RCOOR. You would find that, and sometimes you would find this as OH, or this as NH2 in your, trying to get a little bit focused there. There we go. Thank you, Blackberry. There. I hope this is neat enough. So that's, how this has helped me. Oh, we have one more left. So we have the amides, and the interesting one, the amines, which is an area code of 210. So with the amines, you have an R, a C, oops, what am I doing? Zoom in. There you go. Trying to use my BlackBerry to record this. Sorry, my bad. They don't have a C. They just have New Haven, right? So an alkyl group that live in New Haven, so the first one has 2 hydrogens. The next one, R, N, H, has 1 nitrogen and 1 hydrogen, but that means it needs another alkyl group to form, for the nitrogen to form its third bond. So another way of writing this could also be R, N, H, R, right? And then the third one, so this is area code 2, 1. The next one is, so there was no nitrogen. Oh, sorry, there's no hydrogen. So that'll be an R here and an RA here, right? So the nitrogen has 3 bonds here. The nitrogen has 3 bonds here. The nitrogen has 3 bonds here. Another way to write that will be R, N, H, H, right? So I hope this has made sense, to you. I think, so you see this has 2, this one has 1 hydrogen, and then this one has 0, hence the 210 area code. So I hope this is kind of smart, or I think it's smart. Again, if there's any way to improve this, please let me know. Again, the mnemonics here is 4A, EKA, ECA. This E lives in California, Regina. These guys, they live in Orange County and have Regina, Halifax, Oregon, Ohio, New Haven. And this guy is also New Haven, and their area code is 210. So, please let me know if this helps. Again, comment. Also, for those of you that are, studying, I'm sure for you to find this video here on YouTube, you already know about the wealth of information on YouTube. Check out, just Google in or type in OpenCourseWare, and you would find OpenCourseWare in your course, and you'll find that there's a lot of lectures out there, especially the Ivy League universities have a lot of lectures on some of the topics that you might be searching for. And even there's also this organization called Khan Academy. I'm sure you know about it. They have videos on almost anything you can think of, especially AP classes and first, second year, courses. So again, thank you so much, and thanks for watching, and pass the knowledge. All right, have a good day. Bye.